Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up UTM Builder in Google Analytics, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up the UTM Builder in Google Analytics, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Campaign URL Builder. This tool will help you create custom URLs with UTM parameters. Begin by entering your website's URL in the provided field. Next, fill in the campaign source. This identifies where your traffic is coming from, such as a social media platform or an email service. Then, enter the campaign medium. This describes the type of marketing medium, like email, CPC, or banner. After that, input your campaign name. This should be a descriptive name that reflects the specific campaign you are tracking. You can also include optional fields like campaign term and campaign content. These fields are useful for additional tracking of specific keywords or variations. Once you've filled out the necessary fields, the tool generates a URL at the bottom. Copy this generated URL for your use. Now, head over to Google Analytics. Log into your account and navigate to the admin panel. Ensure you have the correct property selected for your campaign. Look for the acquisition section in the left sidebar. Under Campaigns, you can track the performance of your UTM links. Once your campaign is live, monitor the traffic data. Check the source and medium to see how users are arriving at your site. Analyze the performance based on the campaign name to refine future marketing efforts. And that's it. Your UTM Builder is set up and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.